Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here, bringing you a rainy day in Benidorm, heading down towards the indoor market and then on to the fantasy front today. Not usually this wet, is it, Dad?
No, not usually it's wet, is it?
No, usually quite nice and sunny, but today it's raining. Believe we've also got a volcanic ash storm coming in at some point this week as well. So yeah. Just passing a few shops up here. Some are shut, some have open. Electrical shop here. Supermarket over the right there, guys. It's recently shut. Not sure whether we've shut to undergo refurbishment or what. Got the hotel near though there, or the balconies on the front of it. As well, you can always tell when it's raining because all the shops tend to get the lorries out in the ponchos. Another electrical shop there. Even this shop here. Don't look like they've got ponchos up yet. And there's one of the entrances to the indoor market, of course. Go in that entrance, and first thing you'll be seeing is the butchers. Mariano's, the Piccadilly and Silver Dollar are literally just situated down there, guys. Imagine everyone will be sat inside today. Going to chuck us over. Hopefully don't get too wet and hopefully don't end up slipping on one of the tiles and falling on me. But looks like they're doing right to one of the apartment's gates down here, guys. Don't know, to be honest. Shop here, he's got his bags covered up and the toys so they don't get too wet. Clothes shop there. We've got our shop. Good offers in there. Brilliant stuff. Always love popping in and having a look at the Euro shop. Always good bargains. Looking a bit quiet in there today. You can see the cow's got his mask and umbrella. Think I have just missed the crossing. Yeah, just missed it, guys. Triangle pub, well, there's Vincent's and the White Horse up that hill up there, guys. Brilliant pubs, but I do believe Vincent's has been put up for sale. So sad to see that go. Going to just quickly make a dash to the middle. Straight across again. Another clothes shop there, does all your copied football shirts, but I can tell you some of the copies of stuff you get here in Benidorm are actually better than the real thing. For example, I like to buy the 6 silk shirts, and I have found they are pretty cheaper on the market. And yeah, I know they're copies, but they're brilliant quality, they're nice. So, not bad. Currently it is 16 degrees today. Yep, 14 up by us. So you can imagine it is a bit nippy. Got the casino there, guys. Shut due to refurbishment. And we are now coming up on the Grand National. They haven't been open for ages now. So we are kind of hoping they will make a sort of stand to reopen again. They're a good little bar. You can see there how empty it looks. Just all the tables and chairs inside. Kebab shop here, guys. Hola. Bien. Another shop with the umbrellas and ponchos. Burger King there as well. Open. Good to see. Then we are just coming down on to the front now. Ice cream and churros up here. Shut today due to the weather, I should imagine. And of course we do have the cable ski out at sea as well, which actually has very recently reopened, but now due to the rain and the cold weather we've been having, they've had to shut. Just so not to get that elbow over. So you can see the beach there, looking all the way down to the ferry end. No one. Even the seafront's dead. Look at it that way. You can just make out 2 people having a nice walk. look at it that way. Quiet. Anyway guys, thanks for joining today's vid. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you sort of liked a different side of Benidorm. The wet and rainy side of Benidorm. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and by clicking the video on your screen now, you'll see another Benidorm video. See you later guys.